Quickly, quickly. Where's your plates? Where's your plates? Where's your plates?
The only thing I can think
Where's
is
your
we melted
plates?
some chocolate.
Where's your plates?
Wow. I wanted to recreate a shepherd's pie.
If you gave that to your mother, would she be happy?
Not with the way it is right now. I just wish I could have finished.
I think you've got a problem.
An idea is one thing. Execution is another. Nidhi, in 35 years of being in this industry, I've never seen a dish look like that. Tastes so good. It's delicious. The combination of chicken fat and that black pepper, which is beautifully balanced, and that little squeeze of lemon, sensational. The crisps, a little bit of salt. Well done.
Gee, Charlie, from elimination last week to being tasted this week. What's the dish?
It is a honey semi-Freddo, lemon crumb, candied lemon, and a lemon and honey caramel.
I've stood at this block many, many, many times, and I've eaten many desserts in the MasterChef kitchen. This, without question, is the greatest dessert I've ever eaten in MasterChef.
Oh, yeah. How's it going, Billy? Done? Yes?
Not yet, Marco.
Right. For the chicken mousse, we add the cream. Approx 250 mils.
I'm making a chicken mousse, and I don't know where this goes in the dish. I've made a mousse like this before and you know, put it inside tortellini or cooked it as a mousseline. So I think that the consistency that I've got here is fine, but I don't know how Marco's going to get us to use this.
When you've done that, place it in your fridge.
Come on, Billy.
I'm finally happy with my double lamb chop, but I have to race to catch up with Marco on this chicken mousse.
I'm really worried about Billy. Marco's moving really, really quickly.
Your mousse should be made.
At this stage, I'm thinking it will be an absolute miracle for her to pull through today.
Now, we need tongue, ham, truffle. For the brunoise, for the lamb chops. And let's dice the tongue, not too small and not too large. Yes, Marco?
Yes, Marco.
Fish! Fish! Fish!
We're all too scared to tell him that we've run out.
He's gonna kill me.
Marco!
Harry, where's Harry? Harry!
So Marco's calling for more kingfish.
Harry, where's Harry?
Something's happened and there's a lot of fish missing, which is terrifying.
Harry, what are you doing? Have you run out of fish, Harry?
I know, Marco.
I counted, there was more than 85, but I have no idea where they are.
They just swam off, didn't they?
I'm really confused and emotional. I don't know what to do.
I want 4 kingfish. I want 4 kingfish. Where's my kingfish?
I'm thinking, where's that coming from? Because we don't have any more fish.
Where are you hiding this fish?
We haven't got any kingfish left.
That's not looking good, is it, for you boys? That's not good. Do you want to go to elimination?
When a man like Marco screams that he wants some fish, you better find some fish. What's that? What do I find hiding at the back of the fridge? One last kingfish.
Miles runs from the fridge with a whole kingfish. I'm like, yes.
Have you found a kingfish?
Yeah, we found one.
Wow, you're in trouble, aren't you?
I've never filleted a fish so fast in my life.
I think John's done an amazing job. You know, when you're filled with emotion, it's very easy to become confused. And I don't believe what I saw yesterday. He showed off who he is.
Yeah.
I think today he has cooked to perfection.
You want some advice? Keep it simple. Don't overwork it. Don't be over-ambitious. When I was a young man, I was never ambitious. Why? Because I didn't have the confidence to be ambitious. I was motivated by my dreams, ruled by my fears of not being good enough. That's the truth. So the truth is, I'm still that same boy. As I was all those years ago, I'm still motivated by my dreams. I'm still ruled by my fears. My fears of what I put on the plate is not good enough. If you're going to win MasterChef Australia 2016, then you have to be honest. Honest with yourself, honest with what you put on the plate. That is my advice if you want to win. One simple question. Hands up who wants to win. Good luck. Come on, come on, come on. Push, 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 push.
We just need to clean.
Come on, finish strong. Have you got one ready yet?
Yes,
Ladies,
Marco.
send it to table 9. 1 to table 9. Waiters, table 9. Go. 1 to table 13.
Billy is like a machine. If I didn't have her, then we would never have got it done.
The last one, well done.
That's it. That's ours.
Well done, ladies.
Thanks, Marco.
Clean down.
Yes, Marco.
Well done. By the way, Georgia, Billy, I've seen some people in my life dig themselves out of a hole, but not as big as the hole you dug yourself out today.
Kick me in. I've just got to get on with it.
You know, Shannon, most chefs would have melted in your position, and very few chefs would have created the flavours that you created.
Oh, thank you, Mark.
Don't say I don't help you.
No, thank you.
That's all right, I don't mind tapping it through for you.
No, yeah.
Old habits die hard.
They do, they do. It's instinct.
Comes natural. Good cooks cook for others.
Exactly.
Is that your marron?
It is.
Are you happy with it?
It's beautifully cooked. It's just very delicate, the flesh. Is it meant to look like that? Should I put it in some butter in the pan?
It's up to you. You want the pen?
Yes.
Make the right decision.
I actually changed the dish. I was going to do a white chocolate velouté with the seared lobster.
So totally changed the dish.
John, once you did that, you created confusion. Had it not been for Georgia, you would have been in deep, 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 deep trouble. Because what she did in 5 minutes was more than what you did in an hour.
Absolutely.
It highlighted to me what great chefs all possess. They have that ability to make a decision very quickly and stay firm and stay strong. Were you pleased with what you created in 5 minutes?
Absolutely.